Welcome to Rock Your Fashion. Are you standing in front of your mirror, wearing what should be a gorgeous white jean outfit, but something feels completely off? You've invested in beautiful white jeans, chosen what you thought were the right pieces to go with them. But the reflection staring back at you looks anything but the sophisticated, polished woman you want to be. You're not imagining things, and it's not the white jeans themselves that are the problem. It's what you're pairing them with. Even elegant white jeans can look cheap or clingy when combined with the wrong pieces, and these styling mistakes are more common than you think. Today, I'm revealing 7 white jeans combos you need to stop wearing after 50 because they're absolutely ruining your outfit and preventing you from looking as elegant as you could. Let's fix this once and for all. Combo number 1. Overly distressed white jeans. Let's get one thing straight. Distressed denim is off the table. No matter how trendy it might seem, pairing anything with distressed white jeans instantly cheapens your look. Those heavily ripped, frayed, or artificially aged white jeans might seem edgy, but they're actually making you look like you're trying too hard to appear younger. Let's be honest, those ripped white jeans aren't edgy, they're just distracting. They fight with your outfit instead of elevating it. Your polished blouse? Ignored. That beautiful handbag? Totally overshadowed. It's chaos for the eyes and not the good kind. And don't even get me started on how they photograph. Editors at Vogue avoid them like the plague because all that distressing kills the sophistication. It screams weekend teenager when you're aiming for timeless icon. What you want instead? Clean lines, crisp fabric, and maybe a hint of soft fading for a touch of character. White jeans should be the quiet canvas that lets your style shine, not the main event stealing the spotlight, because here's the truth. Real style doesn't shout. It whispers confidence, and nothing whispers class louder than a pair of white jeans that fit like a dream and keep it chic. Remember, true sophistication comes from restraint, not from trying to make a statement with your denim. So, if distressed denim is off the list, what's another innocent-looking combo that's quietly ruining your chic factor? Combo number 2. White jeans plus white tops. Total whiteout. Here's the thing. An all-white outfit sounds elegant in theory, but in practice, it's one of the hardest looks to get right. Pairing white jeans with a white top often leaves you looking washed out, not wowed. It flattens your features, emphasizes every wrinkle and seam. And let's be honest, matching different white fabrics perfectly is almost impossible. The result? Clashing whites that feel more like laundry day than luxe runway. And don't even get us started on how easily white shows every little flaw from creases to even the tiniest speck of dust. So what's the elegant workaround? Introduce depth. Think contrast in texture or tone. Pair your white jeans with a soft cream silk blouse, a light grey knit, or even a white top that has delicate embroidery or ruching. These little tweaks create movement, dimension, and intention without losing that crisp, clean vibe. Because the truth is, your white jeans deserve better than a one-note look. Let them shine with textures that elevate, not compete. And while we're fixing proportions on top, let's talk about jackets, because the wrong outerwear can instantly undo all your style efforts. If you're enjoying these specific styling secrets, don't forget to hit that like button. Combo number 3. White jeans plus oversized jackets. Think white jeans go with everything? Not quite. This combination is particularly problematic because it creates unflattering proportions that make you look shorter and wider than you are. The oversized jacket drowns your silhouette, while the fitted white jeans create an unbalanced bottom-heavy appearance. French fashion insiders understand that proportion is everything. When you pair the clean lines of white jeans with an oversized boxy jacket, you're creating visual discord that makes your entire outfit feel unintentional. The overwhelming fabric volume also tends to make you appear larger overall, while the stark contrast between fitted and oversized creates an awkward silhouette that lacks sophistication. The oversized jacket also shortens your torso visually, which is particularly unflattering when you're trying to create an elegant, elongated line. The contrast between the structured white jeans and the voluminous jacket creates competing focal points. The fix: go tailored. Choose fitted blazers or jackets that follow your natural silhouette instead. A well-tailored blazer that nips in at the waist creates perfect proportions, with high-waisted white jeans, for example. You'll instantly look more elegant, more confident, and yes, taller. The key is creating balance where your white jeans provide a streamlined foundation and your jacket complements that sleekness. Look for blazers with subtle structure that enhance your natural shape without overwhelming it. The perfect jacket should feel like a sophisticated second skin. But fit doesn't just matter for your jackets. It's absolutely critical for the jeans themselves. Combo number 4. White jeans that are too tight. This might surprise you, but wearing white jeans that are too tight is just as problematic as wearing them too loose. Tight white jeans create unflattering lines, emphasize areas you'd rather minimize, and look desperate rather than sophisticated. When white jeans are too tight, they create pulling across the thighs and hips, which is particularly noticeable in white fabric. The light color amplifies every line, seam, and bulge, drawing attention to areas you'd rather de-emphasize. Additionally, tight white jeans often create an unflattering camel toe effect and can cause the fabric to appear strained, which immediately signals poor fit choices. European fashion editors consistently choose jeans that skim the body without clinging because they understand that sophistication comes from comfort and confidence. Tight clothing suggests you're fighting against your natural shape rather than embracing it elegantly. So, what should you look for? A mid or high-rise pair that feels comfortable in motion, with fabric that lies flat and smooth. No pulling, no puckering, just clean elegance. Because the goal isn't squeezing into the smallest size, it's feeling like your best self in jeans that love your shape back. Even with the perfect fit, the wrong footwear can derail the whole look. Let's talk shoes. Combo number 5. White jeans plus bulky dark boots. Pairing white jeans with heavy chunky dark boots instantly makes your outfit feel unbalanced and visually jarring. The contrast between delicate white denim and bulky black boots creates discord that makes your entire look feel clunky and unsophisticated. The heavy boots anchor your outfit in a way that feels weighty and awkward. They also cut your leg line, making you appear shorter and your proportions less elegant. Fashion stylists avoid this combination because it creates competing focal points that confuse the eye. The stark contrast between light denim and heavy boots makes your outfit feel disjointed. It's like pairing pieces from totally different style categories without any shared language. Your footwear should complement the refined nature of white jeans, not fight against it. The goal is creating a cohesive look where every piece supports the overall aesthetic. Choose sleek ankle boots in neutral tones, slightly wide pointed toe flats for comfort, or elegant heeled sandals instead. These options maintain the light, sophisticated feeling of white jeans while providing the perfect finishing touch. At our age, elegance is about ease, not excess. Your shoes should lift your look, not weigh it down. So, your jeans fit beautifully, your shoes are working with you, not against you. But then, you throw on a color so bright it needs its own warning label. Let's talk about a common style sabotage that hides in plain sight. Combo number 6. White jeans plus neon or bright colors. Let's talk color, specifically those bold neons and super-saturated brights that promise to wake up an outfit but often end up hijacking it instead. Pairing crisp white jeans with loud highlighter hues? It's less elegant and more electric circus. Sure, bold colors can be fun, but with white denim, they tend to look harsh and overpowering, especially against more mature skin tones. Instead of enhancing your glow, they can wash you out or create contrast that's just too jarring. The result? The eye goes straight to the neon and away from you. The secret? Opt for softer, more flattering tones. Think muted pastels, earthy neutrals, elegant navy, or soft blush pink. These hues enhance white jeans beautifully without stealing the spotlight. They whisper luxury and ease rather than screaming for attention. Remember, the goal isn't to disappear. It's to shine with quiet confidence. And with the right palette, your white jeans become the star of a look that feels sophisticated, chic, and effortless. Now that we've dialed down the brights and embraced tones that actually flatter us, let's zoom out for a second. Because even with the perfect outfit, the wrong beauty look can throw off the whole vibe. Yup, what's happening above the shoulders matters too. Combo number 7. White jeans plus outdated hairstyles or makeup. This one might sting a little, but trust me, it's coming from a place of love. You can have the perfect pair of white jeans, the most flattering top, even stunning shoes. But if your hair or makeup is stuck in a time warp, your outfit won't have the modern elegance you're going for. We're talking overly teased hair, crunchy curls from too much mousse, or makeup styles that haven't evolved since the 90s. Frosted lipstick, overplucked brows, and super dark lip liner. Gorgeous in their time, but now they date your entire look faster than you can say white jeans and wedges. An elegant outfit deserves an updated beauty frame. Soft, natural makeup with a fresh pop of colour, brows that are full and defined, not skinny lines, and hair that moves. These are the little updates that breathe life into your whole aesthetic. Because true elegance is a full-body experience. When your hair and makeup speak the same refined language as your outfit, everything clicks. It's not about chasing trends. It's about staying current, confident, and beautifully you. The key is understanding that white jeans deserve thoughtful, intentional styling. They're not just casual weekend wear. They're sophisticated wardrobe staples that can take you anywhere when paired correctly. When you avoid these problematic combinations, you'll immediately notice how much more polished and put together your outfits appear. Which of these combinations surprised you the most? I'd love to hear your biggest styling revelation in the comments below. Sometimes recognizing what doesn't work is the first step to creating outfits that truly make you feel confident and elegant. If this opened your eyes to new styling possibilities, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion insights designed specifically for confident women. Hit that notification bell so you never miss any style secrets that help you look your absolute best. Until next time, remember that great style isn't chasing every trend. It's about knowing what flatters you and wearing it with confidence. Take care, stay true to yourself, and keep shining. Because style, it's not an age, it's a mindset.